Where'd your ball go? Where's your ball? Where did it go? Where did your ball go? Is it behind you? Where's your ball? Where'd your ball go? Where did it go? Huh? Where's your ball? Is it stuck behind you? You can't get it out? Is that funny? Jacob will get it for you. It's still there. You want Jacob to get it for you? He wants the red one. Where did the ball go? There it is. Here it is. There you go.